Morning students. Now lesson number 4. Know your fables. Fables means what? It is a short story. Fables means short story typically with animals. Some animals will be given in diagram, some animals will be given there, and it is a short story. Has character. It has character. Conveying a moral, and it gives us moral also. So note down this meaning. Now some animals are given here and it gives us some moral. For example, first slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race means what? Which one? Tortoise and the rabbit. First one is this animal is tortoise and this one is rabbit. Tortoise and animal and the rabbit. First one write down the tortoise and the rabbit. Slow and steady wins the race. Means this one is tortoise and this one is what? Rabbit. Understood? Now second, necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. The thirsty crow. Second one is the thirsty crow. The thirsty crow. Third, do not trust flatterers. The do not trust flatterers means the fox and the crow. Here, do not trust on flatterers. The fox and the crow. The fox and the crow. And the crow. Fourth question. Any fool can hate what he cannot get. Any fool can hate what he cannot get. This one is which animal? Fox. And these are what? Grapes. The fox and the grapes. The fox and the grapes. And the grapes. Fifth one, the greedy who wants more loss all. The greedy who wants more loss all. The hen with golden egg. The hen with golden egg. The hen with golden eggs. The hen with golden eggs. Lastly, nobody believes a liar. Nobody believes a liar. The boy and sheep. The boy and sheep. Or the boy who cried wolf. Otherwise the boy and sheep. The boy and sheep. So these are the 6 questions. Know your fables. Write down. Now lesson number 5. India, our country. India is our country. That's all. India is a country that is unique in terms of both geographical and polity. Answer the following question to know more about our country. Now fill in the blanks first. The name India is derived. Help box is given there. The name India is derived from the river Dash and its valley, which was home of early settlers. India is derived. The name India is derived from the river. Which river? River Indus. First one is river what? Indus. I-N-D-U-S. River Indus. And its valley, which was the home of early settlers. Second question. Presently, India has dash states and dash union territories. Presently, India has how many states? 29 states and dash union territory and 7 union territory. Third, India is the largest democracy in the world and the dash largest country in the world in terms of area. India is the largest democracy in the world and the dash largest country in the world in terms of area. Seventh largest country. Fourth, the world's highest cricket ground in India. It is located at Chal in the state of dash. In the state of which one? Himachal Pradesh. In the state of Himachal Pradesh. Now B, tick right for the correct option. Two options are given here. Any one is among that two, one is right and one is wrong. So for correct option, we have to put the right. First one, India, also known as Bharat, is a union of states or union of territories. India, also known as Bharat, is a union of states. Put right for union of states. First one, union of states. Second, it is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with a system of government that is presidential or parliamentary. Correct option is parliamentary. Put right for parliamentary. Third, the Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 29th November 1949 or 26th November 1949. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which one? Correct option? 26th November. Third, 26th November 1949. 26th November. Fourth question. Hindi, which is one of the official languages of India, is written in the Brahmi script or Devanagari script. Which one is correct option? Devanagari script. Devanagari script. And last one. The constitutional head of the Republic of India is the Prime Minister or the President. Which one is correct option? Prime Minister or the President? The constitutional head of the Republic of India. Correct option is the President. The President. So note down this one. Sixth, know your country. Take the quiz of India to know its numerous national traits and achievement. India has almost this figure number is given 150 100 1 tens 100,000 10 lakh 1,50,000 dash the largest postal network in the India. India has almost dash the largest postal network in the world. Post offices. India has almost 1,50,000 what? Post offices. First one is post offices. Second one. Second, name the Indian who is regarded as the father of surgery. Father of surgery is that Sushruta. Sushruta. S-U-S-H. Sushruta. Father of what? Surgery is Sushruta. Next, third one. Which poet saint created the game of snakes and ladder? What was its originally called? Which poet saint created the game of snakes and ladder? Who is that? Mokshapad. Third one is Mokshapad. Fourth, what do the people employed at dhabawalas in Mumbai do? Dhabawalas means person who delivers the meals. Deliver meals to office goers. Deliver meals to office goers. Deliver deliver meals to office goers. Next, fifth question. Name the architect who designed some parts of New Delhi. Who is that architect? The name of that architect is Edwin Lutyens. Edwin Lutyens. The architects who designed some part of New Delhi is Edwin Lutyens. Sixth question. The sea linked a cable-stayed bridge between Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai and Worli of South Mumbai is named after dash, the former Prime Minister of India. Who is the former Prime Minister of India? Who is that? Option given that one. The sea link, a cable-stayed bridge between Bandra in the western suburbs of Mumbai and Worli of South Mumbai is named after dash, the former Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. Who is that? Rajiv Gandhi. Seventh, who convenes the joint session of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? Who convenes the joint session of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? Correct option is the President of India. The President of India. The President of India convenes the joint session of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next, 8th question. Name the great ideologist, linguist and professors of Sanskrit and the author of the Sacred Book of the East. Who is that? Max Muller. Max Muller. Ninth one. During which Indian rulers resigned it Fa Sen Faxian the Chinese pilgrim visit India? During which Indian ruler resigned it Fa Sen Faxian the Chinese pilgrim visit India? Who is that? Chandragupta II. Chandragupta Tenth. The name of which Indian state is derived from the fact that it is drained by 5 rivers. The name of which Indian state is derived from the fact that it is drained by 5 rivers. Which state that one? Punjab. That one is Punjab. 11th question. Where is black cotton soil found in India? Where is black cotton soil found in India? The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau. Last one. Name the line that demarcates the border between India and Pakistan. Name the line that demarcates the border between India and Pakistan. The red clip line. You have to mention the name of line. Red clip line. ready. CLIFFE line. Right click, line. So note down all these things.